an owner of a Cybertruck who recently had to leave his Cybertruck parked outside in the sun for a few weeks. However, when he returned, he was surprised to find his Cybertruck glass roof had completely shattered. The owner checked the truck and there were no signs suggesting any foul play or things falling on the glass. Tesla instructed the Cybertruck owners because the EV maker received several reports of shattered glass, and the root cause behind it was adding an aftermarket tint. The added tint absorbs heat. In a situation where the vehicle is left parked for several days, this can cause a problem. If the truck is not driven often, in the absence of motion, the heat will accumulate, causing heat buildup that could shatter the glass. Tesla will not replace the glass under warranty if it has an aftermarket tint installed.